Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling the LG washing machine La error code, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever seen that frustrating La light blinking on your machine, you're not alone. It's one of the most common errors, and the good news is, it can often be fixed at home without calling a professional. First off, let's quickly decode what the La error means. In LG washing machines, La typically stands for lock error, which points to a problem with the door lock mechanism. This could happen due to a faulty door switch, a jammed lock, or even issues with the control board. For 2025 models, LG has made some updates to improve efficiency, but this error still pops up if there's a glitch in the locking system. So, why does this happen? Common causes include a dirty or obstructed door seal, power surges that disrupt the machine's electronics, or even overloading the washer with too many clothes. If you've recently moved your machine or experienced a power outage, that could be the culprit too. Don't worry. Let's walk through some easy troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your washing machine from the power source for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's plugged back in, check the door seal for any lint, coins, or debris and clean it thoroughly. Make sure the door closes firmly without any resistance. If the error persists, try running a quick cycle with an empty drum to test if it's a load-related issue. If these steps don't work, it might be time to inspect the wiring or the lock assembly, but that's a bit more advanced. Always refer to your user manual for your specific 2025 model, as LG provides detailed diagrams. And remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical components, call a certified technician to avoid any risks. To prevent this error in the future, regularly maintain your machine by cleaning the filter and door seal, and avoid overloading. There you have it. You're now equipped to handle the La error code like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.